Alright, hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we got this 10 gigabit PCIe network adapter from Asus. It was about $135 including tax on Amazon.ca. You can find a link in the description below, and it will be an affiliate link. Anyways, this is the box right here. I'm a little bit sick today. I apologize for my voice, but yeah, let's get a... I'm just going to show you guys around the box real quick. The reason I bought this, I guess I should tell you, was because I think the Ethernet port in my motherboard is not running perfectly. And I also got this 1.5 gigabit internet from Bell, so I wanted to see if it was my computer's issue, or if it was if it was my Ethernet's fault, or whether the internet was just not reaching my room properly. Also, the Ethernet port in my motherboard can only support up to 1 gigabit transfer speed, so it can't take full advantage of 1.5 gigabit per second. Although 1 gigabit is still pretty good, but you know, I paid for 1.5, so I would like to receive that. Anyways, here's the box. Seems like you just lift it up like that. It's right here. This is a little bracket, I believe. I'm not sure if there's already a bracket on that or not, but we'll find that out. So there's a bracket. Yeah. And there's a lot of papers in here now. So, hardware installation. Yep. Alright, now stop. Do not return this product to store before calling Asus support. Alright. VIP member, warranty, okay, and the install disk. Alright, let's put all that away for now. And here's the product itself. It's in this, I believe, anti-static bag. Yeah, just gonna pull it out. It's got this nice red color to it. It's a heatsink. As you can see, it's mounted on there. Looks very nice. And yeah, there's the port right there. I'm not exactly sure what this is meant for. Maybe you just screw it in right there. That's where it seems like it's supposed to go. But yeah, this might be just some extra. Ooh, this is just an adapter to a smaller computer, like those computers that have a smaller bracket. So this would fit my computer, but if you have a computer that has a smaller bracket, I'm pretty sure this would work fine for that. And yeah, I think that's the purpose of this. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, check out the link below, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye for now.